Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix a Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery crashing, not loading, or black screen issue on your Android.
Fix 1. Restart phone Step 1. Press and hold the power button Step 2. Tap Restart Step 3. Open the game again Fix 2. Check internet connection Step 1. Turn on Wi, Fi or mobile data Step 2. Switch between Wi, Fi and data Step 3. Turn off VPN if enabled. Fix 3. Clear game cache Step 1. Go to Settings, Apps Step 2. Open Harry Potter, Hogwarts Mystery Step 3. Tap Storage Step 4. Tap Clear Cache Fix 4. Update the game Step 1. Open Google Play Store Step 2. Search the game Step 3. Tap Update. Fix 5. Update Android System Step 1. Go to Settings, Software Update Step 2. Download and install updates Step 3. Restart phone Fix 6. Free up storage Step 1. Go to Settings, Storage Step 2. Delete unused apps, File Step 3. Keep at least 223 GB free.